If you see just 3 or 4 of these signs in yourself, there's a good chance you're not wired like most people. And here's the surprising part. People with rare minds usually don't realize they're different. Today, we're going to explore 6 signs that suggest your brain may work in a completely different way than the average person. But pay close attention, because the last sign is the one most people never notice about themselves. And when you're done watching, let me know in the comments. Which sign sounds most like you? Sign number 1. You feel better alone than in a crowd. Being around people isn't necessarily a problem for you, but after too much socializing, you feel mentally drained. Then something interesting happens. The moment you're alone, your mind comes alive. Your best ideas show up. You reflect. You create. You think. Psychologists often find that people who enjoy healthy solitude tend to process life on a deeper level than most. Sign number 2. You think deeper than most people. Most people stop when they find an answer. You start asking questions. Why did that happen? What's really going on? Is there another explanation? Your mind naturally digs beneath the surface. Sometimes this habit can make life feel more complicated, but it's also one of the reasons you see things others miss. Sign number 3. You're not lazy. You're selective. People may assume you're unmotivated because you don't jump into every opportunity, but that's not the truth. You simply don't like doing things without a reason. Before investing your time and energy, you ask yourself, is this actually worth it? You prefer meaningful action over constant action. Sign number 4. You read people quickly. You often pick up on things that aren't being said. You notice tone, body language, small inconsistencies. Because of that, you can usually tell when someone is genuine and when they're pretending. That's why you don't connect deeply with everyone. You'd rather have a few real connections than a crowd of fake ones. Sign number 5. Your interests are different. You've never been the type to follow every trend. Just because everyone else is interested in something doesn't mean you are. Your curiosity pulls you in unusual directions. You enjoy learning things that most people overlook, and that's often where your unique perspective comes from. Sign number 6. You don't react immediately. When something happens, most people react. You observe, you take a moment, you think, and then you respond. That ability to stay calm when emotions are running high is rare, because real strength isn't always about speaking first. Sometimes it's about staying in control when everyone else loses theirs. So, how many of these signs describe you? Was it 3? 4? Maybe all 6? Let me know in the comments. You might be more unique than you think.